this is the current state of the ongoing construction at Asaba. So you can see at our front now, you can see the construction work going on, the flyover they are constructing in Asaba. So this is the current state of it. So if you stay in Asaba or you are from Delta State, so let us know, is it a yay or a knee? It's just at Coca Junction. So this is the roundabout and the flyover they are constructing. So if you are based in Delta, let us know, is it a yay or a knee? It's quite a big one actually, Sha. So we are still turning the roundabout. It's quite a big one. For me, I think it's a yay. I think it's a yay for me. I think it's a yay for me because it will help ease the traffic around this region. Those going to Onitsha will just go via the flyover. Those going to Warri can just use down, enter through Coca, and they are off. This is the current state. You can see the construction work is causing a little traffic on this axis. So guys, let's know what you think about this construction work going on in the heart of Asaba, Delta State. So if by now you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.